Hi everyone, welcome back to David's channel, and in this video I will show you how to use Affirm on your SeatGeek. Hello everyone, so today we will now discuss how to use your Affirm on SeatGeek. So without further ado, let's start. So you want to first check your eligibility. So Affirm payments are only available to US residents. Unfortunately, your order must meet certain criteria, not eligible if it is for an event outside the US. The purchase is under $50 and it involves paper or ship tickets. So, unfortunately, that is their rules and eligibility. Next, if you meet those criteria, you want to select tickets on SeatGeek. So, browse and choose the event tickets you want from SeatGeek and then proceed through the checkout process like you normally would. Next is choose Affirm at checkout. So at the payment method, select Affirm instead of a credit or debit card. You'll be redirected to Affirm's platform to provide a few details for an eligibility check and then choose from available payment plans. These can range from 4 interest rates and bi-weekly payments to monthly installments depending on your purchase amount. Next is confirm your payment plan. So Affirm shows you exactly how much you'll pay upfront and confirms no hidden or late fees. So once confirmed, you'll complete your purchase via Affirm and return to SeatGeek for ticket confirmation. So you want to manage your Affirm payments, so you can repay Affirm through their app or via affirm.com, and then Affirm will send you a text or email reminder before your payments are due. So if you want to pay early, no penalty for early repayment, so you want to go ahead anytime. Refunds and eligible swaps. So if your event is cancelled, your refund will go back to your Affirm account within 3 to 10 business days minus any interest. Keep making payments until then. So tickets you bought with Affirm may be eligible for SeatGeek swaps, but you must continue paying your Affirm loan even after using swap credits. And that is all on how to use Affirm on your SeatGeek in this year, 2025.